Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. My name is Sakshi Sahu and this will be the part 4 for our country, capital and currency series, and with this part we will be finishing up all the important countries that are need to be discussed. So before starting, let me tell you, if you're preparing for defense exams sitting back home, SSB Crack is best for you. It is a one-stop solution for all the major defense related examination, be it NDA, CDS, AFCAT, Territorial Army or others. For more details, you can visit our website ssbcrackexams.com. There you can find the entire package of courses, mock tests, quizzes and study materials. You can also follow us on our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Telegram. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also download a mobile app, SSB Crack Exams, from Google Play. Alright, so let us start with the first country, that is the Poland. So officially it is known as the Republic of Poland. It is situated here in the Central Europe. So the capital of Poland is Warsaw and the currency is zloty. Next we have is Portugal. So Portugal is situated in the southwestern part of Europe. It is one of the oldest nation state in Europe. Along with that, it touches the coastline of Atlantic Sea. Okay, so the capital of Portugal is Lisbon and the currency is euro. Next we have is Qatar, and so Qatar is situated here, particularly in the West Asia. It is the world's third largest natural gas reserve and oil reserves. Also, there is this thing that is the Zair al-Bakr, that is a joint military exercise between the Qatari Navy and Indian Navy. So, iska jo inaugural session tha, it was conducted during the 7 to 25th November 2019 in Doha. So Doha is also the capital of Qatar. So we know capital is Doha and the currency hai iski, it is Riyal. Next we are going to discuss about Russia. Okay, it is a transcontinental country. I told you what is a transcontinental country, which means ye jo hai, it is extended from the Eastern Europe to the Northern Asia. Russia is the world's largest country by total area and the second largest is Canada. So when we talk about the capital, so the capital of Russia is Moscow and currency is ruble. And the image that you can see, this beautiful image, is of the residence of President of Russia. Now we are discussing about Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia is particularly situated in the West Asia. It is the world's largest oil exporter and the fifth largest country in Asia by total area and the 12th largest in the world. Also, it is the second largest oil reserve, as I told you, and the sixth largest gas reserve. And Saudi Arabia hai, iska jo military expenditure hai, it is the fifth largest in the world. So the first largest military expenditure hai, wo hai US karta hai, second China, third is India, fourth is Russia and fifth is Saudi Arabia. So officially it is known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Iski jo capital hai, it is Riyadh and currency is Riyal. Now we are discussing about Singapore. This particular portion, it is a sovereign island country in the maritime Southeast Asia. So iski jo capital hai, it is Singapore only because it is an island city state. And jo Singapore hai, it is also an headquarter for APEC, that is the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Alright, so the currency of Singapore is dollar. Now we will discuss about Somalia. So in the previous session we discussed about Ethiopia, Djibouti. Okay, हमने discuss किया था Horn of Africa के बारे में. Somalia is also situated here. So ये जो है, it is an easternmost country of Africa और ये भी Horn में situated है. So जो capital है Somalia की, it is Mogadishu and जो currency है, it is Somali shilling. Now we will discuss about South Africa. As the name suggests, it is located in the southern portion of African continent. ये जो है southernmost tip पर है. South Africa की जो है 3 disguised capital cities हैं. One is Pretoria, the other one is Cape Town and the third one is Bloemfontein. So जो Pretoria है, it is for executive purpose, Cape Town is for the legislative purpose and Bloemfontein is for the judicial purpose. So the currency of South Africa is Rand. Now we will discuss about the South Korea, this portion. So in the previous session we discussed about North Korea. South Korea is in the southern portion of the Korean peninsula. It is a country of the East Asia. So South Korea, it is officially known as the Republic of Korea. इसकी जो capital है, it is Seoul and currency is won. So जो हम सियोल की बात करते हैं, it is the fourth largest metropolitan economy in the world. Now we are discussing about South Sudan. So it is situated here again in the Africa region. It is a landlocked country और ये East Central Africa का part है. So officially it is known as the Republic of South Sudan. So इसकी जो capital है, it is Juba and जो currency है, it is Sudanese pound. Alright guys, next is the Spain. It is right here. It is officially known as the Kingdom of Spain. It is the country in the southwestern Europe. So Spain has the territory across the Strait of Gibraltar and the Atlantic Ocean. So the capital है इसकी, it is Madrid, which is the second largest city in European Union, and the first largest city in the European Union is Berlin. Okay. Also Madrid, it houses the headquarters for United Nations World Tourism Organization. So the currency of the Spain is Euro. Moving ahead, next we are discussing about our maritime neighbor, that is Sri Lanka. Officially it is known as the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. It is a South Asian nation और ये जो है Indian Ocean में present है और it is situated in the southwest of Bay of Bengal. So geographically it is separated from Indian continent by Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. So जो capital है श्रीलंका की, it is Colombo and Sri Jayawardene Kotis, and जो currency है जो श्रीलंका यूज करता है, it is rupee. So now guys, let's discuss about the Sudan. अभी हमने South Sudan पढ़ा, उसका ही northern portion में है ये Sudan. It is officially known as the Republic of Sudan. It is a northeast African country and the third largest country in Africa and in the Arab world. So the capital of Sudan is Khartoum and जो currency है इसकी, it is pound. Now we'll discuss about Sweden. It is again a Nordic country also situated in the northern portion of Europe. It is European Union's third largest country. Also, it has world's 11th largest per capita income and ranks very high in quality of life, health, education and tertiary education. So, जो capital है Sweden की, it is Stockholm and जो currency है, it is krona. Now we are discussing about the Switzerland, which is also known as the Swiss Confederation. It is situated in the confluence of Western, Central and Southern Europe. It is a landlocked country and bordered by Italy in the south. So when we talk about Switzerland, it is home for various international organizations such as United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, और यहाँ पे जो city है that is Geneva. It is home for various international organizations such as WTO, International Labour Organization, International Committee on Red Cross, World Meteorological Organization, World Intellectual Property Organization, WEF, International Organization for Migration, etc. Also the city Gland, it is headquarter for IUCN. So इसकी जो capital है Switzerland की, it is Bern and currency is Swiss franc. So guys, now we are discussing about Taiwan. So it is officially known as the Republic of China. It is country in East Asia. It is most populated country and the largest economy that is not a member of United Nations. So Taiwan की जो capital है, it is Taipei and currency है Taiwan New Dollar. Now we have is Thailand. It is situated in the Southeast Asia. Also officially it is known as the Kingdom of Thailand. इसको पहले सियाम बोलते थे. It is situated in the Indo-Chinese Peninsula that I have discussed already before. Now, so the capital of Thailand is Bangkok and currency is Baht. Now we are discussing about Turkey. So, जो Turkey है, it is officially known as the Republic of Turkey. It is a transcontinental country again. It is mainly located in the Anatolian Peninsula in the West Asia, but small portion है इसका जो कि Balkan Peninsula का भी part है. That is in the Eastern Europe. So जो capital है Turkey की, it is Ankara and the currency is Lira. Now guys, let's discuss about Uganda. So Uganda जो है, it is a landlocked country, as you can see. It is a part of Central Africa. इसके जो southern parts हैं, it includes a substantial portion of the Lake Victoria. which is the largest lake in the Africa. Now, so the capital है इसकी it is Kampala और जो currency है it is Uganda shilling. Moving ahead, guys, let's discuss the most important United Kingdom. Okay, so it is officially known as United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It is a country located in the northwest coast of European mainland. It includes the Great Britain, northern parts of Ireland and many small islands. So ये चार countries हैं, England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. So UK है, it is a sixth largest economy. और जब हम इसकी कैपिटल की बात करते हैं, that is the London. So it is headquarter for Amnesty International, International Maritime Organization, Consumer International and Commonwealth Nations. So now इसकी जो currency है, it is a pound sterling. Now guys, let's discuss about Ukraine. It is situated in the Eastern Europe. ये जो है ईस्टर्न यूरोप का पार्ट है और इसकी जो बॉर्डर्स हैं वो ब्लैक सी को भी टच करती हैं. सो इसकी जो कैपिटल है इट इज कीव और इसकी जो करेंसी है इट इज हरेनिया. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द यूएस व्हिच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. So US, that is United States of America, it is situated between the Canada and Mexico. It is the world's third largest country by total area and the third most populous country in the world. So इसकी जो capital है it is Washington DC, which is also headquarter for IMF and World Bank. Also यहाँ पे जो city है that is New York, it is headquarter for various international organizations such as UN, UNICEF, United Nations Population Fund, UN Women, UNESCO, OECD, etc. So the currency of United States is dollar. So now guys, last we have is Zimbabwe. So it is situated again in the African continent, particularly in the South Africa. So इसकी जो capital है it is Harare and currency is dollar. So guys, that is all for the series of countries, capital and currency. So let's take a quick recap of the most important countries that we have discussed in this particular session. So we discussed about Qatar, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Sweden, UK and US. So I'll take the name of the country and then their capital and then their currencies. So Qatar की जो capital थी it is Doha, currency Riyal. Russia, Moscow, ruble. Singapore, capital Singapore only and currency dollar. South Korea, capital Seoul, currency won. Sri Lanka, capital Colombo, currency rupee. Sweden, Stockholm, krona. UK, London, pound sterling. And now US, Washington DC and dollar. So, alright, this is all for the countries, capital and currency. I hope this will be helpful in your examination. I will see you soon in the next series. Till then, work hard. Jai Hind.